Hey, my name is Paul. Today I will show you amazing list of
camera lens bags cases.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
Izzy here, and today I'm going to show you how to keep your lenses secure, safe, and accessible at all times with the Altura Photo Neoprene lens pouches. It comes in 4 convenient sizes. You have small, medium, large, and extra large, and you can also purchase it in 3-pack, which is a small, medium, and large, and a 4-pack with all 4. What makes these pouches different from the rest is the extra padding around the edges and dual padding on the inside to protect it against any scrapes or bumps, and the double thick padding on the bottom to protect against dropping it, and the added benefit of weather resistance so that you can work in any harsh environment. On the inside you'll find a super soft lining to protect your lens against blemishes and scratches. To seal the pouch, you have the drawstring closure to keep your lens sealed and safe, and you also have the added benefit. To seal the pouch, you have the drawstring closure to keep your lens sealed and safe, and you also have the added benefit. So to maintain your lenses safe and secure, whether you're going to place them inside your existing camera bag or take them on the go individually, always use the Altura Photo Neoprene lens pouches.